Yes, good evening to everybody. Welcome to the 16th cohort IIB 2021, which is going to be held on 31st October 2021 if everything goes well. Yes, what I posted on the screen, can anyone can unmute and read it quickly so that I could start my class today? Yes,
Sir, good evening, sir.
good
World Food
evening.
Day. Professor Dr. Muhammad Sahib Hussain. World Food Day 2021 is celebrated all over the world on 16th October. It is an initiative by the Food and Agricultural Organization FAO of the United Nations. After 2020, this is the second time that World Food Day is falling at a time when countries all over the world are reeling from the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. In 2020, the theme of our World Food Day was, I quote, grow, nourish, sustain together. Our actions are our future. I unquote. This was decided keeping in mind the suffering of millions during the pandemic. The idea is that we all can be food heroes and contribute to the idea of building a hunger-free world. FAO has also highlighted the work of food heroes across the world who are working towards the same aspect.
Yes, the food is very much important. In other countries, suppose somebody wants to give to somebody else, they say suspended tea, or suspended coffee, or suspended food. So if any other person, those who wants to eat, they would come and ask that there is suspended, something would be there in the hotel or the cafeteria. Then that person will give the suspended tea or coffee or the food material. Okay, let us come to the point of our good evening to all India bar examination. Okay, let me stop my video so that the voice, All India Bar Examination, that is the 16th Code 2021, Labor and Industrial Law, the MCQ, that is the multiple choice question. Yes, that I have given the detailed syllabus over here. Now let us come to the one. The first question is, the employment relationship is the dash between employers and employees. A. Contract link. B. Employment link. C. Legal link. D. Law link. Which is the appropriate answer in the ABCD for the first question? Quick.
B,
Shoot.
sir. Employment link.
Yes, sir. Contract link.
Contract link, sir. A.
Polesana, I'm pity on you. It is a C, legal link. That is a right word. Is a legal link is the right word for that one. Okay, second question. Which statement is correct statement among the four in all senses or angles? A. Study shows that employees who have mutually respectful relationship with their employees have their business prosper in the long run. B. Study shows the employers who have mutually respectful relationship with their employees have their business prosper in the long run. C. Studies show that the employees who has mutually respectful relationship with their employers have their business prosper in the long run. D. Study shows that the employees who have mutually respectful relationship with their employers have their business prosper in the long run. So A, B, C, D, I read all of them. Sir,
D is correct, sir.
D is correct. I
D,
appreciate that,
D
Dr.
is correct.
Saab. Yes, D is correct. Studies show that employees who have mutually respectful relationship with their employers have their business prosper in the long run. The other things are studies show, not studies show. Studies shows that the employees who are mutually respectable. Here studies show that the employers, here I changed the employer to employee, employee to employer. So in the first option, subject agreement, there should be shows, but I did not wrote shows because the subject is a singular, hence auxiliary verb should be in a singular. Hence it is wrong statement. In the second option, the examiner completely changed the position of the employee with the employer and vice versa. So that is also a wrong. So it is a wrong. In the third option, subject agreement goes with the plural auxiliary verb that has, there should be have, but I wrote has instead of has after why it is wrong, and that is the wrong. Hence the last option is the correct answer for that one. So that is the feedback also I have given why that is wrong and why this is right. Okay. The third question. Study shows that employees who have mutually respectful relationship with their employer are more likely to be dash in the long run. All three, but not one. Which one is? It is true. Means three are very much connected. Only one is not connected to the statement. A. Royal. B. Happy. C. Loyal. D. Productive.
Productive.
Second option.
Royal,
sir.
sir.
Sir, A, sir, A, Royal.
A.
A
C,
is
sir, loyal.
right, Komma Ramesh and others. A is royal is not there, but the happy is there, loyal is there, productive is there. That is very much connected to the statement. Okay, next, which is a false statement? I say false. A, there are two types of the work relationships: professional and personal. B, professional relationships are solely for the purpose of getting your work done. C, they help you advance your career and would not exist if not for your job. D, personal relationship at work are those who have in the workplace for the financial reasons. Which
B,
one is
sir.
a false statement?
B.
Say
D, sir.
loudly.
Sir.
D,
D.
sir.
Personal.
D.
D
B,
is
sir.
the
Professional relationships
false
also, sir.
statement. It is not the personal relationship at work, those who have in the workplace for the financial reason. No financial reason, for the social reason. That is the answer. Social reason is the right. But instead, I remove the social, I put the financial reason. Yes. Yes. Do you want to, Doctor, do you want to ask anything?
Which one, sir? A, B, C, D.
Yeah, D is the right answer. Means that the false
Personal
statement.
relationship
Because
at
I
work.
wrote their financial reasons, but actually it is a
Okay.
social reason.
Yeah.
Okay, now the fifth question
Okay,
is,
sir.
which statement is false? One among the four statement. One statement is false among the four. A, first and foremost, not all work relations are created equal. B, second, there are two types of the work relationship, professional and personal. C, personal relationship don't impact your job other than they improve workplace satisfaction up to the 96% and keep you insane. D, some people will fall into both the professional and personal categories. These are the truly important relationships that make the work fun and productive. Which
C.
is the false one?
C.
It is a C is the false one
C is
because I
personal
put
relation.
insane. Actually, it is a sin is the right
Okay.
answer. Personal relationship don't impact your job other than they improve workplace satisfaction up by up to the 90% and keep you sane, not insane. Now, because if an ideal mind is a devil's workshop, that means if you are idle, then you will become a insane. That's why you have to busy yourself. If your boy is there, if not to be idle, at least learn karate. If the girl is there, not to be idle, learn dancing. Okay, let us come to the sixth question. There are seven types of the work relationship in order of intimacy from the lowest to the highest. Which one is the correct or exact sequence? Relationship from the where? From the lowest to the highest that I made it. A. Co-worker, members, work friends, manager, virgule direct reports, office spouse, mentor, virgule mentee, life friend. That is the A. B. Co-worker, team workers, work friends, manager, direct report, spouse, office, mentor, mentee, life friends. C. Co-worker, team members, work friends, manager, virgule direct report, office spouse, mentee, virgule mentor, life friends. D. Co-worker, team members, work
D,
friends.
sir. C.
Check again.
Co-worker, team members, work friends, manager, director,
B,
report,
sir.
office
B.
boss.
D, sir. It is D.
D, sir, D.
B,
The
sir. B.
answer is A. Co-worker, team members, work friends, manager, virgule direct report, office spouse, mentor, virgule mentee, life friend. That is the sequence 1 to 7. So the answer is
A.
A. Okay. Now, seventh question. The relationship between you and your manager is a vital. All three are very much relevant, but not one given below, because they often play an important role in determining A, your rating, B, your
B, your
fit,
sweat.
C, your salary, D, your
Sweat.
work plan.
Sweat, sir.
It is a sweat. Yes, it is. It will not be called. Of course, I should write your hard work.
Yes.
I should write your hard work. But okay, let us be easy. Actually, if I write hard work, definitely that you would have to make some other thing. Okay, doesn't matter because I want to make it easy also sometimes. Okay, eighth one. Find among the four which one is a false statement. A. First and foremost, not all work relations are created equal. B. Some will help hamper your careers. C. Others will help keep you sane. A few can even be detrimental. D. The more you can build strong, meaningful relationship, the more likely you are not only succeed but be more satisfied with your career. Which one is
A,
that?
sir.
It is the B. Some will help,
some will
not hamper.
hamper your
It
career.
is they will increase, propel your career, not hamper your career. Propel your career. So B is the right answer. Some will help propel your career or career. Yes. Now the
Yeah.
match the following from part 1, the word with their explanation or a narration in the part 2. Number 1, work friends. Number 2, life friends. Number C, co-workers. Number 4, team members. In the right hand side, I have given A relationship are neither professional nor personal but a merely circumstantial. B are fellow employees who work on the same team as you. C are people who are interact with the socially at work. You sit with by them in a meeting and go to lunch together, talk to them at work events and happy hours. D, the most intimate work relationship you can have is one that you don't even consider specific to work, that of your friend IRL, in real life. 1D, 2C, 3A, 4B, 1C, 2A, 3D, 4B, 1C, 2D, 3A, 4B, 1C, 2D, 3B, 4A.
D,
Sir,
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 1A, 2C, 3A, 4B.
Second option.
C,
D,
sir.
sir. 1C, 2D,
C
3B,
is
4A.
right. Our Kirtan Bahubali has given the answer. C is the right. 1C, 2D, 3A, 4B. Because co-worker means relationship are neither professional nor personal but merely circumstantial. That is a co-worker. Team members are fellow employees who work on the same team as you. And work friends are people who are interact with the socially at work. You sit by them in a meeting and go to lunch together, talk to them at the work events and happy hours. And life friends, the most intimate work relationship you can have is one that you don't even consider specific to work, that of a friend IRL, in real life. So that is the appropriate explanation. Yes, anybody can unmute and read the 10th question.
Most companies have their code of conduct easily accessible to employees as well as general public. Find below some of the best examples from most of the well-known companies in alphabetical order which is not belong to this statement.
Yes. The statement which he made, most companies have their code of conduct easily accessible to the employees as well as the general public. But 3 companies are easily accessible to it, but 1 company will not. What is that company?
Google.
No, sir. Coca-Cola.
No, Coca-Cola is accessible to each and everybody. It is given in the.
Facebook is also accessible.
Facebook, sir.
It is inaccessible.
Google, sir. Google one.
D, sir.
Pepsi.
It's only,
Pepsi
yes,
is
sir.
not given any access to it, and that is the reason. Then Coca-Cola is accessible, Facebook is accessible, Google is accessible. We can make it out. 11th, when developing a company code of conduct, you should bear in mind these best practices. Which one is not belong to the best practices in the developing a company? A, avoid technical jargons and write the document for their audience. B, take time to think about all the details that you be covered in the code of conduct. C, make it comprehensive and answer all the questions that might arise. D, make it easily accessible by all the employees and other stakeholders.
C, sir.
B, sir. B. Take time to think about all the details that should covered in the code of.
No,
D, sir. D.
no.
Shareholders and employees.
Yes, sir.
A is the right answer because avoid technical jargons and write the documents for the readers, not audience. For the reader. Avoid technical jargons and write the document for the reader. I removed the reader, then I put the audience. I want to check whether you could find it or not. So you did not make it out. See, read these questions always do it in the last hour. Don't do it in the first hour because it needs a high concentration. Okay, now next come to the 12th question is the labor ministry has consolidated dash central labor laws into dash labor codes. Now I have given the option. I think that you can give the ready-made answer to me now. Yes, 29 and 4.
All of the above, sir.
29
All
and
of the above, sir.
Kanakaya, I am getting the resound. You can mute it.
Sir, Kannaya.
Yes, the answer is not all the above. B. 29 Arabic numerals and 4 in figures. Never write the 4 in Arabic numeral. You write the 4 in the figures. That is the style of writing. That is the Professor Hussain students only could know this secret. Other people will not know the secret. They will write also even 29 in the figures. No, when the two letters are there, you write in the Arabic numeral. When one letter is there, figure is there, Arabic numeral is there, you write in the
Alphabetical and
no, figures.
Normal letter
Figures
form.
means words. Okay. Words you have to write it. Okay, that is the right answer. Okay, 13. Oh, 118. Sir, mute చేయండి, sir. 13th. One among them in from our 4 codes developed by concerned ministry. One among them in from 4 codes developed by the concerned ministry. Then code on wages and code on social security, industrial relation code, workman compensation code, D, occupational safety and health working of the condition code.
D, sir.
It is the C, workman compensation code is not there, but other things are developed by the concerned ministry only.
Workman compensation
Means
matlab
code
it's
on
almost
wages
like
and code on
wages.
social security given by the concerned ministry, but workman compensation is not touched over there. Okay.
C.
Yes, please mute, Kanakaya, mute. Kanakaya,
Sir, Kannaya, sir. Kannaya.
Kannaya,
Kannaya, sir.
mute.
Yes, sir.
మ్యూట్ అంటే తెలుసు కదా ఓకే ఎందుకంటే రిసౌండ్ వస్తుంది నాకు ఓకే నెంబర్ 14 ద ఇండస్ట్రియల్ రిలేషన్ కోడ్ 2020 seeks to simplify labor laws by amalgamating various enactment all 3 but not one among them. They amalgamated and made the industrial relation code 2020 but one not among one. What is that? A, the Industrial Dispute Act. B, the Factory Act. C, the Trade Union Act. D, the Industrial Employment Standing Orders Act.
Sir, B, sir. The Factories Act,
Factories
1948.
Act is not there, but other things are amalgamated. Factory Acts, I took it from some other place. Workplace and other places that I have taken it. Okay. 15th, teachers employed by the educational institutions, whether the said institutions are imparting the primary, secondary, collegiate, or postgraduate education, are not workmen under the dash of dash. A, Section 2R Industrial Dispute Act. B, Section 2S Workmen Compensation Act. C, Section 2T Industrial Dispute Act. D. Section 2S Industrial Dispute Act.
C, sir.
Second option.
B, sir.
D is right. Kannaya is right. Section 2S and Industrial Dispute Act is the exact. నోట్ చేయండి, ఇంటికాడ మాటలు వినబడుతున్నాయి. నోట్ చేయండి, ఇంటికాడ మాటలు వినబడుతున్నాయి. Okay. The 16th question. Teachers in a school is not a workman was decided in the case of dash. South Indian Bank Limited versus A.R. Chacko, the manager versus Deputy Labor Commissioner, and Venkataraman versus Labor Court and others. Uma Chopra versus R.N. Jindal and another. In which case law,
D, sir.
teacher in a school is not a workman was decided in the
C.
case of C.
C.
Venkataraman versus Labor Court and others. It is decided teacher is not a. Of course, there are many cases are there, but you have to find them which are given over there. From there, you have to pick it out. Even I think Andhra Pradesh, one case law is there. I believe that Usmania University, something like that. Okay, 17. Workmen under the Industrial Dispute Act, 1947 Act, are defined as the employees who have been engaged to do a manual, unskilled, skilled, technical work, but exclude people who are dash capacity if their wages exceed dash per month. Now the fill up the two dashes. A. Badli workers and 10,000 rupees. B. Casual laborers, 10,000 rupees. C. Managerial, supervisory, 10,000 rupees. D. Daily workers and 10,000 rupees.
D, sir. Managerial and supervisory.
D,
C. It is a
D, sir.
managerial, supervisory and 10,000 is the two gaps. Number one, who are the managerial and supervisory capacity if their wages exceed the 10,000 rupees. So that is the right answer for that regard. Okay, now let us go to the next question. That is the 18th question. Workman excludes person employed in all three, but not one. All three are excluded, but not one. Who is he?
Police. C.
Army, Navy excluded. Air Force excluded.
D, sir. D,
Police
skilled worker.
excluded.
Skilled worker. D, sir.
Skilled
D.
workers. Yeah. Now the match the following part 1 title of the case law with the principle applied in the part 2. In the part 1, I said the Chintaman Rao versus State of Madhya Pradesh. John Joseph Khokar versus Bhadange BS and others. Kirloskar Brothers Limited, the presiding officer, Labor Court, Delhi and others. Devinder Singh versus Municipal Court. In the right hand side, A. Further designation, source of the employment, method of recruitment, terms and condition of the employment, contract of service, the quantum of the wages, pay, and the mode of payment should not be considered while determining whether a person can be termed as a workman. B. Work is either the manual or skilled or unskilled or technical operation, clerical or supervisory in nature. The mere fact that it does not fall within the exception would not render a person to be a workman, and that the exception are not applicable. C. When a person is performing the various functions which overlap in their characteristic, the nature of main function for which claimant is employed should be considered. The D. Whether there is a master-servant relationship there or not. So here I made it 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A, 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A, 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A, 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A, which is the right answer.
Sir, all are same.
All are same. All are same, sir.
So now you compare it. Now you compare it with the Chintaman dash, which will commit. Here I have given. Chintaman Rao versus State of Madhya Pradesh. It's the D is the answer. Whether there is a master-servant relationship is there or not. Then Joseph Khokar versus Bandange, BS and others, when a person is performing various functions which overlap in their characteristic, the nature of the main function for which the claimant is employed should be considered. Now you can make the correction and you tell me which is the right answer there. I can make it the right answer over there or wrong answer over there. Of course, I made everything is right over there. Kirloskar Brothers and Limited versus the presiding officer, the Labor Code Delhi and others. Work is either manual or skilled or unskilled, technical operation or clerical or supervisory in nature. The mere fact it does not fall within the exception would not render a person to be a workman, and that the exceptions are not applicable. The Devinder Singh versus Municipal Corporation, where it is clearly mentioned, further the designation or source of employment or method of recruitment, terms and conditions of the employment or virgule contract of service, the quantum of the wages, virgule pay, and the mode of the payment should not be considered while determining whether the person can be termed as a workman. Please see the workman definition. Please see the labor definition. Please see the employee definition. See the definition of the company. See the definition of the industry. Whether university is an industry, there is a case law is there. Please see the case law. There the waterworks department is the industry. Electricity department is the industry. There are many cases are there. Please see those cases. There may be possibility that they are going to ask you. Now the title of the case is here. Dinesh Sharma and others versus State of Bihar, and Govind versus Presiding Officer, Labor Court and another, and the Chandrasekhar Sharma versus C. Krishnaya, Chetty Jwalans Private Limited, the Workman versus Greaves Cotton and Company Limited, others. So here I have given a further a supervisor earning the less than 6,500 may also be raised in an industrial dispute for an increment in wages which may be eventually